Welcome back, students. In this session, I will be showing you how to retrieve the data that has been stored in MySQL using select command. It has various types and let us discuss one by one in detail. And it is a part of data manipulation language. Now we will quickly go through the various type of select commands. How can we select the data which we have inserted? So my first command is show tables. Here we are going to do the select operation in the table, namely student. So DESC student. For a recap, student has 11 columns. I have inserted 6 records in it. Select, that is you are trying to select, you are trying to fetch. Star means all the fields. From where? From the particular table student. This is my first syntax. See here, all the 11 columns with the values. I have inserted 6 rows. All the 6 rows are visible here. Namely, roll number, name, standard, 5 marks of the particular student, his total, average, and then his date of birth, which includes 11 rows. Instead of star, I can able to give specific column names, namely roll number, name, total, comma, average. If I give among the Among the 11 columns, only 4 columns along with the values are being displayed. Again, I repeat, among the 11 columns, only 4 columns are fetched along with the values. So this is what specific column selection. We are specifically selecting the column. In the previous example, we have selected the entire table content. All fields with all values are being displayed. Here, specific column. Here also you are going to have all the rows, whereas only specific columns are displayed here. Can we give a condition? Yes, we can give a condition. Here, while selecting the roll number, name, total, and average, I am trying to give a condition where, using where command, where total greater than or equal to 400. This is one condition. Among the 6 records, 4 records are satisfied my condition, and the 4 records are displayed. The other 2 records which are not satisfying the conditions are roll number 4 and roll number 5. Roll number 4 total is 300. Roll number 5 total is 375. So can we use the same thing here? While selecting all the columns, can I give a condition? Yes. Let us check. Total greater than or equal to 400. Here again, the 4 rows with all the columns are selected here. Why? Because I have applied star there. All right. Then, with respect to giving more than one condition, how to use it? Let us try and check. Where condition alone I am giving in the third row so that it will be easier. Where total greater than or equal to 400 and total less than or equal to 450. If I give like this, that is the total in between 400 and 450. The lower limit is 400, the upper limit is 450. Both are inclusive here. See, I'm having only 3 records. Can I rewrite the same syntax using some other condition? Yes. What is that condition? Instead of using this one, I am trying to introduce where total, again I am specifying the same column name. I am using a command called as between 400 and 450. Both will yield the same. The previous command as well as this command will yield the same result. Here also the upper limit is 450 and the lower limit is 400. So again you are having the same answer as the result. Then with respect to, can I use the other logical operator? Here I have used one logical operator, namely AND, in both the examples. Now let us check with respect to OR. Select roll number, command name from student, where standard equal to 11 or standard equal to 11 or roll number less than or equal to 4. Either the roll number should be less than or equal to 4 or the standard should be 11. Why I am getting all the 6 records, you may wonder. All right. See the first 3 records. Let us reconfirm the answer. Roll number, name, standard from student, using which I can reconfirm the previous result. See, either the standard should be 11. Either the standard should be 11. Either the standard should be 11. Now all the 3 records with respect to 11 will get displayed. Or the other condition what I have given is roll number less than or equal to 4. Hence I am having all the things or all the records. Instead, if I give like this, less than or equal to 2. Now let us reconfirm. Here 4, 5, 6, these are the roll numbers. Babu, Saira Banu and Anu are studying class 11. Whereas roll number up to 2 they have given. 1 and 2 they are studying 12, but roll number is less than or equal to 2. Hence Abhirami and Sundar are there. Sundari is not present because her roll number is 3, which is not there in our condition. I hope and or is being, that is we have discussed and or. Now now let us try to select roll number, comma, name, comma, average from student where name in Abhirami, comma Saira Banu. So this is a command that is, it is trying to display the roll number and name and average of the persons, namely Abhirami and Saira Banu. See here. Do we have any other method to write the same command or to get the same result? Yes. How to do this one? Select roll number, name, average. From student where name is equal to either Abhirami or name equal to what? The other name, Saira Banu. Saira Banu. If I give like this, yes, I am obtaining the same result. So in order to, since we have used in, we should be having not in. So this is the alternate command. If you are using in, I can simulate the same command using or. Since we have used in command there, if I change if I give not in, other than Abhirami and Saira Banu, all other persons roll number, name and average will be displayed. So let us run this query and then reconfirm. Yes, other than Abhirami and Saira Banu, other 4 records are being displayed. So when we are using in, we are simultaneously checking with R. If I am trying with the not in, I should be having some other command called as not equal to. Instead of equal to, I am having one thing called as not equal to. Either the name should not be equal to Abhirami or the name should not be equal to. Not here is less than symbol immediately followed by the greater than symbol. So this will also yield the same result. Now we are going hand in hand comparison, and normal and condition is compared with between an and, normal or condition is compared with in command, not in command is compared with normal relational operator not and or. So this is what we have seen till now. So with respect to what is that, pattern matching, this part plays an important role. Pattern matching. Select roll number, name, comma, average from student where I want to select the names of those students starting with S. name like starting with S na, in single quotes, capital S, percentage symbol. This is going to give me only those names that are starting with S. Whereas if I reframe the query like this, percentage I, it means that the person's name should end with I. Here Abhirami and Sundari are those two names which are ending with I. Only those two names along with these three columns are getting displayed. The previous command, it starts with a particular character, and this command is ending with a particular character. Now, what are the other variations? So, if I give percentage I percentage, it means that inside the name, anywhere I can have I, or I should have I there. See here, Abhirami, Sundari, and Saira Banu. There only you can find I letter in the column named name. Whereas the other names are, one name is Sundar, the other name is Babu, the other name is what? Anu. So these three names do not possess a character called as I. So those three names are not getting displayed. Then comes what is that? If I am giving not like, let us check. See, not like. See here, Sundar, Babu, Anu. The contrary thing appears. Now I am trying to apply. I have applied and the, what is that, logical operator, or also I have applied. Now I have applied the unary operator, namely logical operator, namely not. So this gives me the other contrary names, namely other than the names starting with I, so not starting with I, which possess I inside the name. So Sundar do not have I, Babu do not have I, Anu do not have I. So those three data has been displayed. So this one, other than this, with respect to pattern matching, like if I'm trying to give 3 characters, it means that select those roll number, name, and average of the students who is having exactly 3 characters. Only one record will be fetched. Why? Because Anu is the only candidate. All right. Then comes, instead if I give 4, only Babu comes. All right. Then here U underscore U percentage. First character can be anything, whereas the second character should be U, and it can extend, right? If I give like this, Sundar and Sundari, Anu is not written because U comes as the third character there. Here they are specifically checking the second character. I hope all the pattern matching strings are over. Then comes distinct and all. This is what? Select distinct. What distinct? What is that? Distinct standard from student. If I am having redundant data, namely repetitive data, here I am having 3 students who are studying 12th and 3 students who are studying 11th. When I run this particular query, it gives me only 12 and 11 respectively. 12 and 11 respectively. All right. Whereas in the space of distinct, if I give all, it includes the duplicate values. So 3 students are studying 12th and 3 students are studying 11th. It includes the duplicate values, whereas distinct do not include the duplicate values. Excuse me. One more thing, column alias is there. So here, select distinct. If I want to rename the column std as remove duplicates, just I am specifying something in double quotes. See, when I run this query now, instead of the column name appearing as std, a remove duplicate, I have duplicated. I have written it as duplicated. This is one method of displaying the column name in some other name. We cannot literally change the name, whereas while displaying the column name alone, we can change it. That is using alias command. This is one type, whereas the other type is as remove duplicate, for example. See, I can use select the particular column. Here I am trying to select something that is distinct standard as remove duplicate. If I am using as, now for appearance, when we try to see the description of the table now, there the column name would not have been changed, right? It is std only, whereas while displaying alone, they have changed it as, while displaying alone, they have changed it as what? Remove duplicate. Then moving on to the sort method, that is order by. Select star from, not even star. We can have name from student, order by. Select name from student, order by. This command order by sorts the record, order by a particular column name. If I give like this, by default, it sorts the given record in ascending order. That is, Anu has been written as the last record. If I am not giving this one, now we will see the output, so that to look at the difference. Select star from student, this one alone. Here Abhirami, Sundar, Sundari, Babu, Saira, Banu, Anu. Whereas here it is arranged alphabetically. Abhirami, Anu, Babu, Saira, Banu, Sundar and Sundari respectively. Then comes descending order, DESC. If I am trying to use select name from student, order by name, DESC here denotes descending. Sundari, Sundar, Saira, Banu, Babu, Anu, Abhirami. It has given the data in the reverse order. That is opposite to ascending order it has given. People will try to use something as ASC here. It is not showing an error. When you want to sort the given set of records using ascending, people are using this particular word called as ASC for ascending. If you use it, you are going to get the same answer. Even if you are not going to use it, you are going to have the same answer. Then, can I have more than one column? Can I have more than one column for sorting? Here, name, comma, standard, roll number, name, comma, standard, so that we can check the other changes. Roll number, comma, name, comma, standard, order by name. I am trying to include one more field, namely roll number. Roll number appears second here. See, Abhirami Anu. Then comes the particular person roll number. Babu, Saira Banu, Sundar Sundari. It is sorting those records based on name and then with the roll number.